Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet these ears for applique ears. First we will make a slip knot. After slip knot we will make, here I made my slip knot. Okay. After slip knot we will make 7 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now starting from the first stitch itself, we will make in first stitch itself we will make 5 double crochet stitches. In first stitch and last stitch we are going to make 5 double crochet stitches. In first stitch 5 double crochet stitches and last stitch 5 double crochet stitches. Once we are done with our 5 double crochet stitches in our first stitch, in second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth stitch, okay, we are going to make 1 double crochet in each single stitch, and those double crochet stitches we are going to make using only 1 loop of every stitch. Okay, see, using only 1 loop of every stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet stitch in the stitches from second to sixth. Okay, and when we reach 7th stitch we are again going to make 5 double crochet stitches in that 7th stitch itself. See, here we are done with our 1 1 1. Now we have reached the 7th one. So in 7th stitch we are going to make 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself. Now we get to the other side, and in the other side of those chain crochet stitches we will make again from second stitch to sixth stitch we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch using only 1 loop. Okay, again using 1 loop we are going to make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch from second stitch to sixth stitch. As in first and 7th stitch we have already made 5 double crochet stitches, and when we reach the last 6th stitch, when we are done with the 6th one, now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So like a first round is complete. Now for second round we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Okay, we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch all around, and when we are done with the last stitch we'll join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Here we are done with our second round also. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now we are going to fold the ear. Okay, and see, I'm pointing that mid stitch. You need to place a marker in that mid stitch, and we will make 1 half double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet stitch and 1 half double crochet stitch. Okay, one half double crochet stitch, one double crochet stitch, and a one half double crochet stitch in that one stitch only. See, now here goes the half double crochet stitch. Okay, it is only in one stitch. Now rest all stitches we are going to make one slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it, all around the ear. Finish, our ear is finished. Okay, so all around the ear we are going to make one slip stitch in each single stitch. See, our ear is finished. Following exactly same pattern, please make one more ear. Please follow exact same pattern. Okay, I'll just show you final piece. Now see, this is how a final piece looks like. Okay, now if you want to place these ears, you can place it straight away, or you can fold it's some ears are like folded, so you can just fold the ears and stitch it that way. See, this way, a little bit folded. Okay, see, this is how two ears will look like. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. These ears can be used in various appliques, and many applique tutorial videos are there on my channel. You can refer them also. For example, like Pikachu applique is there, reindeer applique is there, then bunny applique is there. After that, Leprechaun applique is there. So plus I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. And those who have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed, I will request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As you can see, complete tutorial video is quite easily explained, and plus written instruction is there. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.